What's up? Welcome back to Whitney Styles YouTube channel. Back at it again with the hair care at home series. So in this video, I show you how to use ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen at home to make a banana hair mask that can be used to help grow and moisturize your hair. All the products I use are shown here, and I'll get into the benefits of each ingredient while actually making the mask. So I start with extra virgin olive oil. I'll also use apple cider vinegar. Organic products whenever possible. Next up, raw and unfiltered honey. 100% pure grapeseed oil, coconut oil, extra virgin and organic, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I use the brand by Sunny Isle, and tea tree oil. I start out by peeling and slicing 2 ripe bananas. You're probably wondering, why are you putting bananas in a hair mask? Well, my friend, bananas are full of vitamin B, magnesium, and potassium that can help repair damaged strands of hair, but then also promote healthy hair growth. They help to strengthen your hair follicles to improve your hair's health. They also improve the natural elasticity of your hair to reduce breakage and split ends. The nutrients in a banana help strengthen and add volume to fine hair. It helps to moisturize both your scalp and your hair, which helps control dandruff. And bananas help restore your hair's natural shine, leaving it soft, silky, and easier to manage. Now that the banana is chopped up, I'm just going to grab my tumbler and slide all of the banana pieces into my tumbler. Get in there! Next, I grab a spoon and I start breaking up the banana pieces. I'm doing this to make room in my tumbler so that we can add the essential oils. And then also, it just makes it easier to blend if you break down the bananas early on. This is what the bananas look like mashed up in the tumbler before I add the other ingredients. The first thing I'm going to add to the bananas is apple cider vinegar. Before you pour this, you want to be sure to shake it up to ensure the particles are evenly distributed before you pour it into your banana mixture. Apple cider vinegar is an acidic acid with extreme antibacterial and antifungal properties. It cleanses your scalp by dissolving the dirt particles without stripping your hair of its natural oils. It helps to balance your scalp's pH and then also stimulate hair growth. I still have not mastered pouring this. I make a mess every time. Next, I add grapeseed oil, which contains various fatty acids that promote hair growth. It also works as a natural sealant to lock moisture into your hair while improving the shine and vitality of your hair. It also helps to prevent frizz, split ends, and brittle hair. Next up, I add organic honey. Honey is a humectant that helps your hair attract and retain moisture. It also softens your hair and helps to fight frizz. Next up, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This product is used to stimulate hair growth. It also adds shine and can be used to restore thinning edges. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in vitamin E. It's used to strengthen hair, but it can also moisturize your hair and scalp while adding shine, and it reduces scalp irritation. Aside from the bananas, I use 1 tablespoon for all of my ingredients. So I'm just wiping out my tablespoon so that I can dig into my container of cold pressed coconut oil. To make this product easier to work with, you could heat it up or just buy it in a liquid form. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer because it's rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. This oil helps to fight frizz, soften hair, add shine and luster, but then also prevent breakage and split ends. The last thing I add is tea tree oil, which is a healing oil that helps improve the health of your hair and your scalp. It also reduces dandruff and hair loss. I know what you're probably thinking, girl, that's a lot of oils, but each ingredient does serve a purpose, so feel free to customize this based off whatever products you have in your house or your kitchen or whatever your unique hair needs are. So now I'm just going to screw the top onto my tumbler and then blend this up using my magic bullet. My magic bullet actually did a good job today because if you watched my DIY avocado hair mask video, then you know it was a struggle. I only blend this long enough to smooth out the banana chunks, and this is what it looks like. The consistency is really thin and it reminds me of soup. You could actually apply this using an applicator bottle. If a runny mask is a turn off for you, you may as well stop watching this video. But if you want to see how I apply it and my end result, keep watching. I start out by grabbing my water bottle and then spraying my hair with water. Water makes your hair easier to detangle, but then you can also infuse your water with various essential oils. Spraying your hair with water also makes it more permeable so that the oils and products that we use can better penetrate. Now I'm using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. I start at the ends and then I work my way up to the roots. I do that until I can easily finger comb my hair. Next, I section my hair into 4 equal parts and I use plastic clips to hold the hair in place. Today, I'm starting with the front right side, so I'm just going to spray that with water again and then section my hair off into rows, clip the rest up, and grab my banana mask to get started. Using my fingertips, I grab as much of the mask as I can and then I apply it directly to my scalp. I massage the product into my scalp because it does contain a bunch of nutrients that help heal, soothe, moisturize, and condition your scalp. Once my scalp is covered, then I just work the product throughout the middle of my hair and then down to the ends. I continue to work my way up until I get to the middle of my head, just sectioning off rows, grabbing product, applying it at the roots, working it through to the middle, and then down to the ends. After the first quad of my hair is completely saturated, then I just roll that section up into a little bun, and then I grab a clip to hold the hair in place, and then I move on to the next section, which is the back for me. I'm just using my fingers to detangle the hair, and then I spray it with water, and then I section off into rows and repeat the exact same process. Because this mask is so runny, it was dripping everywhere. I did the rest of my hair off camera, but this is what it looks like once I'm almost finished. This is how much product I have left, and I don't let things go to waste in my household, so what I'm going to do now is just continue to apply the mask in any area that I may have missed, such as the back of my neck. You know, it's hard to see back there, so you never really know what's going on. Gonna apply some additional mask there. Now I'm going to add the remainder of the product to the middle of my hair and also pay close attention to the ends of my hair, which tends to be one of my driest areas. Massaging your scalp is a good way to stimulate it, which promotes hair growth, so I'm going to massage some additional product into my scalp. The product is just about gone, so I'm going to slick my hair up into a bun. But before I cover it up with a plastic cap, I'm going to apply the remainder of the product to my edges. Look how much I have left, literally not wasting a drip, so I'm just going to continue to massage this into my edges. I'm being extra thorough today, no strand of hair left behind. Now I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap to prevent the banana and the oils from dripping everywhere. Today I'm also adding a satin bonnet, and the purpose of the bonnet is just to help my hair retain some of the heat that your head naturally gives off. Now just let it process for an hour. Alright, it's been an hour. It's time to take this shower cap off. Can we talk about moisture and hydration? Look how moisturized my hair is. After sitting for an hour, the mask did not dry up on my hair or make it crunchy or anything like that. Next, I rinse my hair with lukewarm water before following up with my favorite shampoo and conditioner. Today, I'm using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intense Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is what the shampoo looks like. It smells so good. These products are designed to hydrate and replenish dry, damaged hair. This is what the conditioner looks like, really thick and creamy. This is my end result, smooth, shiny, soft, well-conditioned hair. I did end up with a few small banana pieces, so if you tried this at home, be sure to thoroughly rinse out your mask. Now for a bit more moisture, I'm going back in with my coconut oil. I'm applying about this much. I'm going to rub it in between my fingers just to warm it up to make it easier to apply. And I only apply the coconut oil to the middle of my hair and then the very ends of my hair. I only apply a small amount of coconut oil because it's a heavier type of moisturizer and it can leave my hair feeling greasy. Today, I'm also going to add grapeseed oil, and I really like this as a moisturizer because it's lightweight and silky and it does not weigh my hair down. After I work this product through the middle of my hair and the ends of my hair, I also massage this oil into my scalp. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by giving me a thumbs up and dropping me some comments. Until we meet again.